Money friend or foe? Let's be real. Dealing with money can feel like navigating a field of landmines sometimes. One minute you're riding high after payday, the next you're staring at your bank account with wide eyes, wondering where it all went. But here's the good news. Managing your money doesn't have to be a constant source of stress. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. The key? A budget. It's not about restriction, it's about empowerment. A budget gives you clarity, control, and the freedom to achieve your financial goals. Forget the restrictive, complicated spreadsheets. We're talking about a simple, realistic plan that aligns with your life and helps you reach your dreams. Ready to transform your relationship with money? Let's dive in. Taking control of your cash. Creating a budget that truly works starts with understanding the basics. It's not just about numbers, it's about making informed decisions. It's about creating a clear picture of your income, your expenses, and where you want to go financially. Knowing where every dollar goes is crucial. The goal is to gain control of your money, so you're not constantly worried about where it's going. Financial peace of mind is achievable. Don't worry, this isn't about becoming a financial expert overnight. It's about learning and growing at your own pace. It's about taking small, manageable steps that add up to big changes over time. Every little effort counts. Think of it like building a house. You start with a solid foundation and then build from there. Each step is important. In the following sections, we'll break down the process of creating a budget into manageable steps. You'll find it easier than you think. We'll cover everything from tracking your spending to setting financial goals. Each step will bring you closer to financial stability. By the end, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to create a budget that works for you. You'll be ready to take control of your financial future.
Know your numbers. Income. The first step to building a solid budget is knowing your income. This means understanding exactly how much money you have coming in each month. It's not just about your paycheck. Include any side hustles, bonuses, or other sources of income. Start by gathering your pay stubs, bank statements, and any other relevant documents. Add up all your income sources to determine your total monthly income. This number is the foundation of your budget. Once you have a clear picture of your income, you can start allocating it to different categories like needs, wants, and savings. Remember, knowing your income is the crucial first step in taking control of your finances.
Track your spending habits. Now that you know how much money you have coming in, it's time to figure out where it's going. Tracking your expenses might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. The goal here is to simply become more aware of your spending habits. There are several ways to track your expenses. You can use a budgeting app, a simple spreadsheet, or even a notebook. The key is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. Start by tracking every dollar you spend for a month. Categorize your expenses like groceries, transportation, entertainment, and bills. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is actually going.
Section 5. Dreams to reality setting financial goals. A budget without goals is like a ship without a rudder. You might be sailing, but you won't get very far. Without clear financial goals, your efforts can feel aimless and unproductive. Setting financial goals gives you something to work towards and helps you stay motivated. It provides a clear direction and purpose for your financial decisions. Your goals could be anything from paying off debt to saving for a down payment on a house. They can also include building an emergency fund, investing for retirement, or even planning a dream vacation. The important thing is that they're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART. This framework ensures your goals are clear and attainable. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save more money," set a specific goal like, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a car in the next 2 years." This gives you a clear target to aim for. Once you have your goals in place, you can start adjusting your budget to make them a reality. This might mean cutting back on non-essential expenses or finding ways to increase your income. Remember, your goals will guide your budget and keep you focused on what's important. They act as a roadmap, helping you navigate your financial journey with confidence and clarity.
Section 6. Building your budget blueprint. With a clear picture of your income, expenses, and financial goals, you're ready to create your budget. This is a crucial step in taking control of your financial future. Remember, your budget is a living document, so don't be afraid to adjust it as needed. Life changes, and so should your budget. Start by allocating your income to different categories, like housing, transportation, food, utilities, and savings. This helps you see where your money is going. Be realistic about your spending and prioritize your needs over your wants. This ensures that you cover the essentials first. Consider using the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This rule can help you maintain a balanced financial life. This is just a starting point. Adjust the percentages based on your individual circumstances and goals. Everyone's financial situation is unique. Remember, the key is to find a balance between covering your expenses, saving for the future, and enjoying your hard-earned money. A well-planned budget can lead to financial peace of mind and help you achieve your dreams.
Section 7. Review and refine your budgets not set in stone. Congratulations, you've created a budget, but your work isn't done yet. Creating a budget is only half the battle. Sticking to it is the real challenge. That's why it's crucial to review and adjust your budget regularly. Life is full of surprises, and your income and expenses are likely to fluctuate over time. Set aside some time each month to review your budget and see how you're doing. Are you staying within your limits? Are there any areas where you could cut back? Don't be afraid to make adjustments as needed. Your budget is a tool to help you reach your financial goals, so it should work for you, not against you.
Section 8. Stay strong, stay committed. You've got this. Creating and sticking to a budget takes effort, but the rewards are worth it. By taking control of your finances, you'll reduce stress, achieve your goals, and build a more secure future. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. There are plenty of resources available to help you, including financial advisors, budgeting apps, and online communities. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate your successes along the way. You've got this.